Welcome to a new video on the parts channel. Okay, I'm going to make a short video, but I think it's very interesting so that you can be very careful with this. Let's see, a vehicle has been brought to the workshop. In this case, it's a van, a Citrus Tron 1600 HD, and well, the problem it has is that it was emitting a lot of blue smoke. The owner told us that it had been emitting that smoke for several days, and he brought it to us when it showed a low oil level. Let's see, never do this, okay? If that happens to you, like in this case, don't drive this car, or in this case, with this van. What you have to do is call a tow truck and take it to the workshop, okay? Because this is burning engine oil, but of course, it's burning it because the turbo is damaged. And the problem here is that due to this fault in the turbo, the engine could have started to self-combust, and if it does, you could end up without a car engine because it will destroy it. Okay? Well, as I say, if you see blue smoke coming out of the exhaust, it doesn't even need to be that much. Don't risk it. Call a tow truck, have the tow truck take it to the garage to assess the extent of the fault, okay? And this is to avoid much greater damage, especially because it could blow up the engine, okay? Well, here's a short video. If you found it useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.